Okay.
Okay. Yes. Shall we start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Vaibhav, sir, you can start.
Okay. Hello, friends. Good afternoon to all. Myself, Vaibhav Kulkarni. I'm from Pandharpur. I have completed BE Mechanical in 2009, and after that, I came to Pune for the job. Mr. Sachin is my friend from school days. Today, we will discuss about the interview, how the process of interview is, what kind of questions in interview person is asking, and how to give answer to them confidently. Before that, what kind of relation between company and employee is, that I will tell you. Company wants the person who can give his knowledge 100%. He can utilize his time by 8 hours, 12 hours, and give maximum profit to the company. And employee wants satisfaction from his job. He want to love his job, not his company. Whatever he doing, without hesitation, he want to do that activity. There are total 11 questions that we will discuss today for the interview point of view. We will I will read first that 11 questions. If you want to write it down, please write it down, or otherwise listen the recording again. Okay, Sachin.
Ah, yes, yes, sir. Okay, okay. Okay, Vaibhav.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I will read first 11 questions, and we will after that we will discuss one by one each question. First question is, what is personality? Second question is about introduction of yourself. Third question is about family background. Fourth question is about education. Fifth question is about goal of life, means short term life goals in life, medium and long term goals in life. Sixth question is why you want to join this job. Seventh question is what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses. Eighth question is what are your hobbies. Ninth question is why should I hire you? Means the recruiter HR person will ask you, or team member or a specialized person in that field. He will ask you, some design engineer ask you, what is unique about you, or what should I hire you. Tenth question is why you want to do work in our company. There are so many companies coming for the campus interview, or we are going in any type of company for the interview. Then the person will ask why you have selected our company for doing job or for giving interview. And last question is what if I reject you. HR person may ask question like this. These are important 11 questions that I have faced during my interviews. I have given so many interviews. Apart from that, these are the 11 questions that you must have practiced. Okay. Hello.
Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Okay. First question is what is a personality? So personality is nothing but your behavior, how you predict. Uh, in simple way, we can say that personality, you how you look and how you talk with other person. It is nothing but the personality. To answer this question, you must be using some of the words that personal that feels that respects your personality. That means you are capable, you are direct, you are frank, you are punctual, you are willing. The statement in your answer should be like this: I am energized, I am focused and motivated to do my best. Like this, I always take high road and treat my colleagues and team members with respect. This must be answer to the question. Like this, you can use the word motivated, practical, friendly, result oriented, self started, willing. These are the words you must include in your answer. Okay.
Okay.
The second question is about introduce yourself. In this introduction, you start with your name, full name, then from the city you belongs to, then the family background, if you want to tell about the family background, and then education you have taken. After that, your family background, you start with your education. As you are fresher, you don't have any experience in education field. You have gone across various competitions, various paper presentation. You explain that all the things with your certificates. You uh, tell the HR person about how you feel while doing that activity. Suppose paper presentation is going on or robotic competition is going on, then what kind of uh, team you have made for the robotics, means 2 persons, 3 persons, how you have coordinated. Like this, you tell the answer. It shows your uh, practical knowledge and how you take the leadership in the team. The HR person is calculating on these factors, means whether you are capable, whether you are confident enough, whether you can handle the team. He is asking for the leaders, or he is asking for the good person who can guide the team. Is HR person and team members, what are the persons taking interview, are finding the leaders. So they require person who can project the, who can guide the project and who can lead the team. Next question is about your goal in life. There are 3 to 4 stages. From first is your education, then after education first 5 years, then 5 to 10 years, 10 to 15 years. Like this, person is growing step by step. Means in short term goal, you have to select 0 to 5 years. Means if you are join as junior engineer, then senior engineer. After that, you become assistant manager, then manager. Like that, your post is going to increase. But apart from post, your responsibility also increases. You have to decide what kind of goal you have to make in your career. Also, what kind of goal you have to fulfill in your life. Someone want to purchase car, someone want to take land, someone want to do his own business. Like this, some person are having different goals in life. Some person are having 20 years I will work in industry, after that 20 years I will take charge of my father's business. Like this, you have to decide your short term goal, medium goal, term goal and long term goals. Okay, Sachin.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Then next question is why you want to do the job. There are so many people who are hesitate or who cannot answer about these questions. Why you want to do this job means some person, HR person or project leader or head of the department is not um, having confidence in first meeting that if the person is uh, capable to do the job. He is asking number of questions like this: can you do the job, will you do the job, will you fit in the system? Like this he is asking so many questions related to job, but your answer should be like this: you are interested in your job. It may be design field, it may be maintenance field, it may be production field. Like this you should show your interest. Someone want to design means he must learn to AutoCAD or he must learn Pro E software. Suppose if someone want to do career in R&D, he must show, he must answer like this, that he want to do the job in R&D, he want to do the trials and errors, he want to do he results, he can analyze the results. The answer should be like this: yes, we can do this, yes, I'm having capability to do that activity. Like this he is taking answer from you, he is expecting answer from you. uh, Means you can do the job individually with your theoretical knowledge. You can utilize your theoretical knowledge whatever you have taken in 4 years of engineering, and you have to use that knowledge in practical life. There are 48 subjects we study in engineering. Apart from that, you have to work on drawing, engineering drawing, applied mechanics, theory of machine, design of machines. These are the four important subjects in engineering. Drawing is must, drawing is everywhere. Without drawing, no any company will survive. Like this, you have to show your interest and you have to confirm that you can do the job your best. Okay,
Okay, okay.
voice is clear
Yes,
or any
yes.
problem?
Yes, you are audible.
Oh, thank you. The next question is what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses? This is most important question that you must give this answer for this question confidently. Strength like this, I'm capable of doing these things. I can listen, I can communicate very clearly. These are the strength. Means I can practically do this task and analyze the result. These are the strengths you must show or you must explain to the person who is giving taking the interview. Hard work, honest, and decision making. But only uh, telling these words will not serve the purpose. You use small sentences to make use of these words. Whatever I have told in earlier also, I am capable of doing things. I am punctual in time. I am still charted and I can do this task alone. This kind of statement, if you made in the interview, then HR person will be very happy and he will have confidence on you that you can do this activity individually. The person who is taking interview is expecting from you that you whatever you are having theoretical knowledge, you must implement it practical. practically and give the profit to the organization. The aim of company is to save the time and to save the money. With less time and less money, company is asking for the profit. Uh, the next point is about the weaknesses. Weaknesses means you analyze yourself and you uh, take about what you feel bad or what you feel nervous about yourself. It shows the weaknesses. The statement of your answer should be like this: I am focused too much on small things, and because of this, my time is wasted. This is one of the weakness. Means focusing on important things instead of focusing on important things. If we any person uh, focus on small things, then it will not serve the purpose. Within 5 hours, if you want to complete one drawing with the AutoCAD or with the Pro software, you must focus on front view, you must focus on side view. Apart from that, you after that you focus on the dimensions. Like this, when you are drawing, you first draw central line, then front view, then side view. After that, you draw the dimension lines. Like this, you focus what are the value added activities and what are non value added activities. If you focus on this, then it will serve the purpose. The next question is about your hobbies. Hobbies, you should not copy hobby of your friend. It is very important. You must have your own hobbies. You have to explain about your own hobbies. I will tell incidents of one of my friend. He write in his resume that hobby is watching football. On the same day when he has given interview, he could not answer single question about football, even though he don't know how many players play in the football team. Like this, you should not answer the fake question. You should not give answer like this, or uh, whatever you know. If you are playing carom, it is well and good. You should know the best person in the your area or in your college or in your university. The name also you must know. If you tell the hobby is playing carom, like this, the you give the answer for this question honestly, because it is not compulsory to do this. Whatever your friend is doing activity, that you must write in your resume. Okay, Sachin.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next three questions. We will take feedback from any person who want to ask any questions about the someone want to ask any questions. Hello.
Would you like to ask any question?
Ask
Hello.
any question about the interview.
About interviews, would you like to ask any question? Hello.
Sir,
Yes,
how much resume matters during interview?
resume matters 75%, and whatever you tell, it matters 25%. You have to explain yourself with the resume. Are you getting my point? Whatever I am telling.
Yes, sir. We have to explain related to our resume only.
Sorry.
Means we have to explain our resume in front of them, or
Yes.
simply take an overview of resume.
You have to read that in. First, you have to make your own resume. Don't copy of your friend or two, three friends sitting there and making resume. You have to write with your hands your own resume, and you whatever the question he will ask, you have to answer that questions.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Someone wants to ask, or shall I continue?
Hi, any question, Rohit?
No, sir.
Pawar, Mr. Pawar, Dayanand Pawar, अजिंक्य जाधव, हर्षल,
काय सांगितलं ते कळालं का? हॅलो हॅलो.
Rohit, are you there? Hello, Rohit. Somebody should respond, Swami. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Somebody should give a response. Vaibhav, Mr. Akash has asked something regarding sometimes they are expected salary. That time, what is our answer? What should be our
Okay.
answer?
As a fresher person, there are different type of roles. Design engineer or IT engineer. There are different. I will tell one website, that is payscale.com. Payscale.com. This is the website for India.
Okay.
As a fresher person, you please go through it.
Okay. Okay.
Or you can, as a fresher person, you can tell them whatever the company rules and regulations with you. We are happy with that.
Okay. Payscale.com.
Like this, payscale.com.
Okay. Okay. So please note the website which has been given by Vaibhav Sir. Okay. This will help you if somebody will ask what are your expectations or salary expected. In that case, what you can go, what you can do, you can go through that website and according to your skills, uh, you can give an that particular skill.
It is for global website, but you search for India.
Okay. 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 Any other further questions? Hello. Okay.
Last three questions I have kept.
Okay. Okay.
If someone want to ask any question, please ask, or I will continue with three questions.
Okay. Vaibhav sir, you can continue.
The ninth question is, why should I hire you? This is main important question in your interview. You must have practice, or you must have study on this question. Why should I hire you? Your answer should be like this: Sir, I am fresher. I have theoretical knowledge, but I do not have any practical knowledge. I can do hard. I will put my efforts very good, and I will focus on project. I will finish my project in time, and I will fulfill the needs of the company. Your answer should be like this. If you answer like this, then only company will select you, or HR person or project leader will select you. I will repeat the answer once again. Sir, I am fresher. I have theoretical knowledge. I don't have any practical knowledge, but I will do work hard.
Okay.
Good progress.
Mm-hmm.
I will focus on project that you are going to assign me. I will finish work in time and fulfill the needs of the company. Means person is working in incoming inspection department. Suppose he is working in quality department. There his task should be like this. Within 2 hours, he has to finish his incoming inspection record. Whatever the job is given, he must give answer. It is okay or not okay.
Okay.
Like this, you have to prepare the answer. You have having your drawing in your hand. You are having machining component in your hand. By reading the drawing, you must give the decision okay or not. Like this, you have to give the answer.
Rohit Adlinge is asking one more question. As now interviews are going to happen online, so how can we prepare for it? What different things we have to do? Nowadays, because of this corona pandemic, what is happening, all interviews will be conducted online, so
Okay.
student needs to do some extra effort. So would you like to suggest what student should exactly do and for online interviews?
This is the basic things I have taken. Whatever it may, interview may be online, interview may be face to face, but resume is in front of you. You can tell that all the data in resume you can explain. No need to sit in front of the person. These are the basic things. There is nothing.
Okay. Okay.
Interview may be, suppose interview may be taken by a person sitting in America and you are in India. Then face to face, you in front of you, you are having screen and you are having resume in your hand. Same thing is happening with the person sitting in America. He is having in front of screen and in hand he is having resume.
Okay.
You must
Mhm.
answer the questions confidently. This is the requirement.
Okay. Okay.
The second last question we are going to discuss is why you want to do work in our company. Why means why you have selected our company. To study, answer this question, you must study about the company. Suppose if Wipro company or Infosys company is came in campus for the interview, then you must go through website of Wipro or you must go through website of Infosys. You must uh, read at least basic things about the company. Means uh, if we say basic things means about the turnover of the company or locations of the company or related things that uh, you want to do this job. And suppose uh, I'm interested in design field, then uh, I will select the company uh, Dassault system or any other company which is making Tata Motors. Suppose if we take Tata Motors, then Tata Motors is having design center. Your answer should include I'm interested in design job. I'm interested in practical work, and I want to do this kind of job. Like this, your answer should be. Okay.
Ram Salgar has asked one more question. Why do you want this job? If interviewer will ask such kind of question, then how we can defend? Why do you want this job? How we can
Why
defend?
you means whatever the practical knowledge, whatever the theoretical knowledge you have taken in 4 years of engineering, if you are utilizing in practical life, means in your company, then there is use of your knowledge. There is use of your engineering knowledge. You are utilizing your time, and after that company is giving you facilities and money, and whatever the job you are doing, you are loving that job. That's why you want to do that job. If some there is burden or any pressure from outside persons, then you will not do this job. Like this, if number of hours are more, if you sometimes there is situation your shift is of 8 hours, but you have to do the shift for next 8 hours also. The company is working 24 hours, loving your job, or if you don't like to this kind of job, then you cannot do this job. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Hello.
okay. Hello.
Means you from internal side, from your inside, you must feel that you are loving this job. Means suppose if you want to design person, if he his boss tell that for after your working hours, then you have to stay for 2 hours extra and do this assignment complete and send to the customer. If you are positive about the design, or if you are positive, you are having positive attitude, then only you can sit for next 2 hours. Otherwise you cannot sit for next 2 hours. Means your willpower is important for do this job. It is not like that after 10 days or after 15 days you have to leave that job. You have to do any in any company you have to do the job for 2 hours, 2 years minimum or 3 years minimum. Next day you have to enter the in same company, and in same chair you have to sit in front of manager. If you are not loving your job, you will start hating your job. It gives the negative impression on your job. I think it is sufficient.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Uh, uh.
Anyone other? Last question I want to discuss. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. The last and 11th question is, what if I reject you? HR manager or person who is taking interview, he will ask at the end of your interview, what if I reject you? Then you should be prepared for both the things, means positive side and negative side. Your answer should be polite. You should, whatever the answers you have given in your interview, that answers are satisfied, then he will select you, or otherwise he will reject you. But your answer should be like this. I will read that how answer should be. You should tell that success and failure are both important in life. If I get rejected, I will accept it positively. and for next interview I will prepare. I will improve myself and I will rectify my fault. The answer statement of you reply should be like this. If you reply like this politely, then interviewer will be very happy. And sometimes situation comes that two persons are having same marks in engineering, same marks in 10th, same marks in 12th, and same marks in interview also, means HR interview and technical interview also. But last question you have answer is more positive, then there is chance that you are getting selected.
Okay.
Okay. These are the 11 questions. These are the basic questions in any kind of interview. You give any mechanical interview or design interview or IT interview or any other field. These are the basic things that you should prepare. You should write in your diary, or you should have study, and you must answer these questions in 4-5 lines. If you do that, your 99% chances of getting selected.
Okay. Anybody wants to ask any question, specific question? Hello? Hello? वैभव सर, थोडासा तुमचा एक्सपिरियन्स थोडासा मराठीतून सांगितलं तर अजून थोडंसं आम्हाला बरं वाटेल बरं का. सध्या ज्या कंपनीमध्ये काम करतात आहेत, कशी सिच्युएशन आहे?
आताची जे मी काम करतोय ते क्वालिटी मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टीम मधलं काम आहे माझं.
ओके.
माझं टोटल 10 वर्ष एक्सपिरियन्स क्वालिटी एश्युरन्स मधला आहे.
ओके.
क्वालिटी मध्ये जे फील्ड आहेत, इनकमिंग इन्स्पेक्शन, इन प्रोसेस इन्स्पेक्शन, फायनल इन्स्पेक्शन आणि शेवटचा पार्ट आहे तो डॉक्युमेंटेशन.
म्हणजे आपण मेट्रोलॉजी क्वालिटी कंट्रोल मध्ये जे शिकलो होतो तशा टाईपचं आहे काय काही? MQC सब्जेक्ट होता.
मेट्रोलॉजी आणि क्वालिटी कंट्रोल हा जो सब्जेक्ट आहे त्याच्यावर जॉब मिळतो आणि तो जॉब मी करतोय.
बर.
आपला जो एक सब्जेक्ट आहे त्याच्यावर जॉब आहे. हीट एक्सचेंजर हा एक सब्जेक्ट आहे, थर्ड इयर मेकॅनिकल. तर त्या थर्ड इयर मेकॅनिकलच्या त्या एका सब्जेक्ट वर एक कंपनी चालते.
बर.
तर क्वालिटी अश्युरन्स हा जो आहे तो वास्ट आहे फार. आता ज्या गोष्टी आपण छोट्याशा शिकलेल्या आहेत त्या इथे एक डिपार्टमेंट चालतं त्याच्यावर.
ते डिजिटल वगैरे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स वापरतात का कसं? वर्नियर कॅलिपर आणि अजून ते म्हणजे जुनेच वापरतात, त्याच्याबद्दल कसं आहे काय?
ते बेसिक झालं. ते आता 1-2 वर्ष ज्यांचा एक्सपिरियन्स आहे ते लोक ते फ्रेशर म्हणजे जी मुलं आहेत ते मिडल लेवलला आहेत, ज्यांचा एक्सपिरियन्स 2 वर्ष 3 वर्ष आहे, ते लाईन इन्स्पेक्शन, इनकमिंग ते काम करतात. माझं काम आहे ते प्रोसेस सेट करायचं.
ओके.
डॉक्युमेंट्स ऑडिट, इंटरनल ऑडिट, कस्टमर ऑडिट, सप्लायर ऑडिट आणि IATF म्हणून ISO 9001:2015 हे स्टँडर्ड आहे. तर ते स्टँडर्ड नुसार कंपनीला गाईडलाईन करायचं की बाबा कस्टमरचे काय रिक्वायरमेंट आहेत आणि आपण काय त्यांना देतो. आपलं कंपनीला थोडक्यात इम्प्रुव्हमेंटचे प्रोजेक्ट सांगायचे.
ओके. आपण जे आपण जे पूर्ण इंजिनिअरिंग मध्ये जे शिकलो, थेरॉटिकल आणि प्रॅक्टिकल, ह्याच्यामध्ये काही गॅप आहे आणि तो जर असेल तर तो कसा कमी करता येईल विद्यार्थ्यांना ज्यावेळेस ते एखादी कंपनी जॉईन होतात ॲज अ फ्रेशर भरपूर गॅप असतो.
तो गॅप कमी करायसाठी आपल्याला इम्प्लांट ट्रेनिंग असतंय ते फर्स्ट सेम नंतर, लास्ट इयरच्या फर्स्ट सेम नंतर असतंय.
हां हां हां
बरोबर.
बरोबर. मला वाटतं थर्ड इयरला, आता सध्याच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना थर्ड इयरला होतं वाटतं. रोहित बरोबर का? हॅलो रोहित.
हा सर, थर्ड इयरच्या पहिल्या सेम नंतर.
हां, तर ते इम्प्लांट ट्रेनिंग व्यवस्थित करायला पाहिजे असं म्हणणं आहे.
दुसऱ्यासाठी नाही, स्वतःसाठी प्रामाणिकपणे केलं असेल तर कळेल.
बर बर बर, महत्वाचं आहे हे. हा,
कारण हे 11 क्वेश्चन काढायला मला बरेच इंटरव्ह्यू द्यावे लागले, बरेच अभ्यास करायला लागला.
बरोबर बरोबर बरोबर. आणि बाहेरचं मार्केट सिच्युएशन कशी आहे सध्या, म्हणजे इझिली जॉब मिळतो का कसं आहे, स्ट्रगल करायला लागतो, हे पण थोडंसं आमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना कळलं तर बरं होईल.
मार्केट सिच्युएशन 2008 मध्ये डाऊन होतं सगळं.
बर बर.
2008 नंतर अप झालं परत 2016 पर्यंत.
बर बर.
2016 मध्ये परत डाऊन झालं 2 वर्षासाठी.
बर बर.
आणि आता सिच्युएशन अशी आहे की मार्केटमध्ये डिमांड आहे पण त्या क्वालिटीची माणसं नाहीयेत.
हा, हे महत्वाचं आहे बरं का. मार्केटमध्ये डिमांड आहे पण क्वालिटीची माणसं मिळत नाही आहेत कंपनीला. इफ यू विल हॅव गुड क्वालिटी, डेफिनेटली कंपनीज कॅन हायर यू. If you don't have quality, then it's very difficult for you to get job because competition is very huge, and because of this corona pandemic again, chances may be very less. Therefore, through this we can understand we need to improve our quality. We need to focus on 11 questions which Vaibhav Sir has explained very nicely. बरोबर का? हॅलो.
बरोबर.
हां, अजून काही एखादा मेसेज जाता जाता आमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना?
पॉझिटिव्ह थिंक करा, म्हणजे आपण यातनं लवकर बाहेर पडू.
खरंय खरंय. अजून काही कुणाला विचारायचं आहे का? हॅलो. छान झाला सेशन बरं का. छान झाला सेशन. बऱ्याच दिवसानंतर थोडंसं वेगळं ऐकायला मिळालं कंपनीचं रिलेटेड बरं का. आणि एस्पेशली कोर कंपनीमध्ये कसं आहे, तसं बघायला गेलं तर सॉफ्टवेअर आणि कोअर कंपनीमध्ये असं काही इंटरव्ह्यू वेगळ्या प्रकारे होतो असं काही नाही. मला तर थोडंसं साम्यच वाटलं बरं का. जे क्वेश्चन्स आहेत ते मोस्टली दोन्ही टाईपच्या कंपन्यांना विचारले जाऊ शकतात असं आपण म्हणू शकेल.
हो हो हो, नक्कीच. दोन्हीकडं इम्पॉर्टंट.
हां, अजून एक क्वेश्चन आला बरं का. शुभम राऊत इज आस्किंग, सर, फॉर मेजरमेंट ऑफ मेकॅनिकल पार्ट्स ऑटोमॅटिक मशीन्स आर अवेलेबल, सो व्हॉट अबाउट दॅट एम्प्लॉई पोझिशन. नेमकं काय म्हणायचं आहे शुभम?
ऑटोमॅटिक मशीन चालवायला माणसं लागतातच ना. सीएमएम मशीन आहे, त्यात ऑटोमॅटिक आहे सगळं.
बर बर.
पण ती सीएमएम ऑपरेट करायला माणूस लागतोय ना.
म्हणजे सध्या
तुमच्याकडे सीएमएम मशीन ऑपरेट करायचं जर स्किल असेल, कॉम्प्युटर आणून, ऐका एक मिनिट, कॉम्प्युटर आले म्हणून लोकांचा जॉब गेला नाही असं नाही ना. कॉम्प्युटर जेव्हा नव्हते तेव्हा पण माणसं काम करत होते, आणि कॉम्प्युटर आल्यावर कॉम्प्युटर ऑपरेटर म्हणून जो लोक जॉब करतायत. अजून सुद्धा टायपिंगचे क्लासेस चालू आहेत.
खरंय.
टायपिंग मशीन अजून सुद्धा मार्केटमध्ये दिसतात.
खरंय खरंय खरंय.
कोर्टाच्या बाहेर अजून सुद्धा टायपिंग घेऊन लोक काम करतात आणि टायपिंग करून लेटर टाईप करून देतात, कॉम्प्युटर आले तरी.
खरंय खरंय.
म्हणजे असं नाही की, पण तुमच्याकडे तेवढं स्किल पाहिजे. तर तुम्हाला जे टायपिंग करणारे होते ते टायपिंग करतच राहिले, जे कॉम्प्युटर शिकले ते कॉम्प्युटर शिकून पुढे गेले.
हा हा हा.
म्हणजे तुम्हाला जर स्किल असेल आणि तुम्हाला जर इच्छा असेल तर तुम्ही करू शकता.
सध्या तर मला वाटतं इंडस्ट्री 4.0 असल्यामुळे सेमी ऑटोमॅटिक गोष्टी अजून तर आहेत, बरोबर का. फ्युचरमध्ये सांगता नाही येत काय होईल. सध्या तर माणूस लागणार आहे, बरोबर.
माणूस तर प्रत्येक ठिकाणी, नासा मध्ये गेलं तरी माणूस लागतोय.
खरंय खरंय खरंय.
80% लोक भारतीय नासा मध्ये आहेत. ते कशासाठी आहेत त्यांना माहिती, ते स्वतः काय आहेत, आणि मग त्यांनी अमेरिकेसाठी काम केलंय. पण अमेरिकेसाठी काम करायसाठी आपल्याला माहित पाहिजे आपण स्वतः कोण आहे आणि आपल्याला स्वतःला किती येते.
बरोबर बरोबर.
तर तुम्ही फ्रेशर आहेत मुलं म्हणल्यावर स्वतःबद्दलच जास्त माहिती पाहिजे.
माझ्या मनामध्ये बऱ्याचदा एक क्वेश्चन येतो बरं का, कोरमध्ये जर काम करताना मला वाटतं जर आपण फ्रेशर असेल, सुरुवातीलाच आपण त्या कंपनीमध्ये एंट्री मारली, तिथे बरेच लोक असतात, 15-15 वर्ष झालेली काम केलेली लोक असतात, तर त्यांना हँडल करताना किंवा कसं म्हणजे त्यांच्याशी मिळवून कसं घ्यायचं ह्याच्याबद्दल एक थोडंसं मार्गदर्शन करा.
जरा वेळ कमी आहे.
शेवटचा क्वेश्चन हा, शेवटचा क्वेश्चन. थांबूया आपण इकडे.
आपलं कम्युनिकेशन इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. आपण दुसऱ्याशी कसं अप्रोच करतोय
बरं.
त्यावर सगळं डिपेंड आहे.
बरं.
तुम्ही त्या माणसाशी बोलताना जर पोलाइटली बोललात तर तो तुम्हाला नक्कीच मदत करेल. जर एखाद्या वेल्डरला म्हणला अरे हे वेल्डिंग मारून दे रे, एवढं मला अर्जंट आहे, त्याच्या शेजारी उभा राहून घोड्यावर बसल्यासारखं जर आपला ऍटिट्यूड असेल तर उपयोग नाही त्याचा.
बरोबर.
तर त्याच्याशी गोड बोलून त्याचा काय प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर समजावून घेऊन. इंजिनियर म्हणल्यावर आपण कायम 8 तास शॉप फ्लोअरवर नसतो. आपण 5 तास आपल्या मीटिंगच्या हॉलमध्ये किंवा आपल्या चेअरवर असतो आणि 2 तास फक्त आपण शॉप फ्लोअरवर असतो. ती माणसं कंटिन्यू 8 तास शॉप फ्लोअरवर असतात आणि ऍक्च्युअल काम करणारी तीच माणसं असतात, जे वेल्डर आहेत किंवा फिटर आहेत किंवा जे मशीनवर काम करणारे आहेत. त्यांचे फारच छोटे छोटे प्रॉब्लेम असते. त्यांच्याशी जर पोलाइटली किंवा जे कामाशी रिलेटेड जे काय आहे ती क्वेरी जर छोटी असते ती जरी सॉल्व्ह केली तरी आपल्याला भरपूर मदत होईल. सिच्युएशन वर डिपेंड असते की आपण कसं अप्रोच करतोय त्यांना.
चालेल सर, चालेल.
सगळ्या टाईपचे लोक असतात.
चालेल. छान सेशन झाला सर.
इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये सगळ्या टाईपचे लोक असतात.
हा. आपल्याला मिसळून व्यवस्थित घ्यायला लागणार आहे.
ओके.
चालेल. ओके सर. शेवट फक्त कमी वेळेत तुमचं धन्यवाद मानतो, कारण की आमच्या फायनल इयरच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना एक छान प्रकारे मार्गदर्शन झालं. त्यांच्यासोबत मला पण थोडंसं ऐकायला भेटलं रिअली काय चालतं आहे ना मेकॅनिकल कोर कंपनीमध्ये. त्याच्यामुळं मी आभारी आहे. असं म्हणून आपण इकडे थांबूयात. चालेल ना? चालेल. ओके सर. ओके. धन्यवाद तुमचा मूल्य वेळ दिला आहे ना, वेळात वेळ काढून. चालेल. ओके सर. ओके.
मला ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिली त्याबद्दल धन्यवाद.
चालेल. आम्हाला मार्गदर्शन मिळालं बरं का सर. छान. थँक्यू.